Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, well, we come back again. How are you doing, learners? I hope my video meets you in well conditions. Okay, now we talk about because and because of. I know you can't wait. Let's get to it. Because is stand as a conjunction along with since, though, although, and while, etc. Is the word because is always followed by clause. It's always followed by clause. The clause here is a complete sentence. The complete sentence means the sentence contains subject, verb as predicate, and object. Okay? Now let's take a look at 3 examples like this. The bird can fly because it has wings. The bird can fly because it has wings. The people love their president because he rules with good governance. Okay, my friends get a high score in maths because he always studies hard. That was the example about because. Now what about because of? Because of, it stands as a conjunction like because, but in because of is conjunction people call two conjunction. Why two conjunction? Because the word because stand alone and of, and then because of, the two conjunctions. And the word because of is always followed by noun, pronoun, phrase or noun phrase, or even a verb in. The people so called object. The example like this. Example number 1. I can come because of the rain. I can come because of the rain. You know, because of the rain, it stands as a conjunction between I can come and the rain. Maybe the meeting will be delayed because of down electricity. Maybe, or the meeting will be delayed, maybe will be delayed because of down electricity. The example number 3. The people will get welfare soon because of fast growing economy. Okay, how about that, learner? Alright, we can sum up here that because is followed by a complete sentence, and the because of is followed by an object. An object here as form, the form could be formed as a phrase, noun phrase, pronoun, or even verb in as an object. It's only object. Okay. If you have any question about this material, you can ask by sending a comment in my video. Okay, learners, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Okay, learners, thank you for your kind attention and thank you for joining in this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.